Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will do your all assignments. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. You can see this is the title of assignment. Here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now I am going to start my assignment. Question number 1 is that start Excel. Okay, first I have selected this R file and then increase the font size of this file for a proper view in my video. Okay, now you can see zoom it, and question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Exp25 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see this my file on my laptop screen. I have downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see here. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that okay, you notice that the worksheet contains some spelling error that to be corrected. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling error in the worksheet. Okay, you can see here. Basically in this question we will check the spelling errors, okay, and remove the errors. Correct the spelling and remove the error. We will go to Excel workbook, go to review tab. In the proofing group, click on spelling button and then we will click on yes button. Do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Click on yes button. Click on change all and again click on change all and then click on OK. Yes, spell check complete. You are good to go. Click on OK button. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 3. The question number 3 is that you want to use autofill to enter a series of codes to create the product numbers. Okay, you can read this. Enter 101 cell B5 and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10 with a series. In this question, we will go to the Excel workbook and then we will click on cell B5 and then we will enter 101 in cell B5. Okay, click on cell B5, enter 101 in cell B5. The next point is that and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10 with a series. Okay, use autofill to complete the sequence B6 to B10 to complete the series. Fill series. Okay, now I am going to do okay. Next question of this assignment is question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that to motivate customers to buy more products, you want to change the 5% off 10% off. Okay. The next point, the main point of this question is here: find all occurrences of 0.05 and replace them with 0.10. Basically, in this question, we will find and replace. Find is 0.05 and replace them with 0.10. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on find and select button, or click on replace button. Find it, our find is that 0.05 and replace them with 0.10. Replace them with 0.10. Okay, replace them with 0.10. Okay, then we will click on replace all button. All done. We made one replacement. Click on OK button and close it. The next question is that, okay, the next question is that question number 5. Question number 5 is that column C contain the cost of each product and column D contain the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for each product in column E. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the result of multiplying the cost by the markup rate. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Okay, basically in this question we will go to Excel workbook and then click on cell E5. Then we will enter a formula to calculate the markup amount. We will click on cell E5, press is equal to, and then we will enter a formula for calculate markup amount. Okay, please focus on my PC screen, which is the result of multiplying the cost by the markup rate. Which is the result of multiplying by cost by markup rate. Press is equal to C6 is cost multiplying by D6. Okay, then copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. Okay, C6 is cost by markup rate, cost multiplied by markup rate, and it will be find markup amount. Now we will copy the range E6 to E10. You can see fill handle, copy the formula down through C6 to E6 to E10. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question is question number 6. Now that you have calculated the markup amount, okay, now that you have calculated the markup amount, you can also calculate the retail price for each product in column F. Okay, in cell F5, enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is sum of the cost and markup amount. Copy the formula to the range F6 to F10. Okay, basically in this question in cell F5 we will have to enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of cost and the markup amount. We will add this to cost and markup amount and it will be find the retail price. Okay, in cell F5 we will go to cell F5 and then press is equal to, okay, we will have to add this to sum cost, press is equal to, and then we will, which is the sum of cost, and press is equal to cost plus markup amount. We will have to add this two amount, cost plus markup amount, this, okay, sum of cost and markup amount, and then press enter. It will be find retail price in cell F5. Okay, now copy the formula to the range F6 to F10. Copy the formula to the range f6 to f10. Okay, this is good now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done 6 questions right now. Question number 7 is that each atom is on sale this week. The sale price is X% of that price. You need to calculate the sale price. In cell H5, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down to the range H6 to H10. In cell H5, calculate the sale price. We will go to the cell H5. Click on cell H5. Price is equal to. We will calculate the sale price F6 multiplying by into 1 minus G6. Okay, 1 minus percent of. Then we will press enter. It will be find sale price. Now copy the formula down the range H6 to H10. Copy the formula down through cell H6 to H10. Okay. 1 second. You can see here. C5. Sorry, C5 multiplying by D5. Okay. Now this is good now. F5 multiplying by 1 minus G5. Okay, sorry, I have entered some wrong and now I have entered a correct formula. F5 multiplying by into 1 minus G5. Okay, F5 retail price into 1 minus G5 is percentage of. Okay, now this is good now. Question number 8 is that the profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of the revenue. The formula: first calculate the net profit between the sale price and the cost and divide that by the sale price. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Basically in this question, we will go to Excel workbook and in cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then click formula, click on cell I5, press is equal to in cell I5. Press is equal to and then we will have to enter a formula in cell I5 to find profit margin H6. Okay, sale price minus C6 is cost and divided by H6 is sale price. Then we will press enter. It will be find profit margin in cell I5. Okay, 1 second. H5 sale price minus C5 cost into H6 divided by H6. Okay, this is good now. Now copy down formula through cell I10. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. I have done this also. Question number 9 is that you decide to add a column to display the profit because profit is a dollar amount. You want to keep the profit column. Close the another column of dollar amount. You will insert a column for the profit amount and enter the column heading. Insert a new column I and enter profit amount. We will have to insert a new column I. Right click on column I, click on insert button. New column I will be inserted right now. The next point is that enter profit amount in cell I4. Enter profit amount in cell I4. Click on cell I4 and then we will have to enter a profit amount. Okay. Now question number 10. I have done 9 questions. Now you are ready to enter the profit amount formula. Basically this question in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is the difference between the sale price and original cost. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Simply we will go to Excel workbook, click on cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is different between the sale price and original cost. Okay, we will go to our I5 price is equal to H5 minus C5 sale price minus cost, then we will press enter. It will be find profit amount in cell I5. Now copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. You can see I have done 10 question right now. Question number 11 is that you want to insert two rows for category name above their respective product. Then you want to delete the row containing the souvenir CD. Okay. Okay. The main point of this question is that insert a new row above 5. Sorry, insert a new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Okay. Insert a new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Insert a new row 8 and enter souvenirs in cell A8. Bold the words in cell A5 and A8. Delete the row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Okay, soundtrack CD. Insert a new row 5. We will go to Excel workbook, click on row 5, right click on row 5, click on insert button, new row will be inserted. And the next point is that type apparel in cell A5. We will copy this word apparel and then click on cell A5. Then we will type apparel. Okay. The next is that insert a new row 8 and enter souvenirs in cell A8. We will have to insert a new row 8. Click on row 8, right click on row 8, click on insert button, and then we will type souvenirs in cell A8. Okay, in cell A8 we will have to type souvenirs. Okay. The next point of this question is that board the word in cell A5 and A8. Simply we will select these two words. Cell A5, go to the home tab in the font group, click on bold button, and A8, click on cell A8 and click on bold button. Both words are bolded right now. Delete the row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Click on row 11, right click on row 11, then simply delete button. Okay, row 11 will be deleted. Now I am going to do question number 12 of this assignment. I have done 11 questions so far. Question number 11 is that column A is too narrow for the product name. You want to increase the width. In addition, you want to increase the height for the first row. Finally, you decide to hide the product code column. Increase the width of column A to 23. Change the height of row 1 to 30. Hide column B containing the product codes. Basically in this question, first we will increase the width of column A to 23. We will select column A and then right click on column A and then click on column width, and then we will set data 23 and click on OK button. Okay, the next is that change the height of row 1 to 30. Simply we will select row 1 and then right click on row 1 and then click on, sorry, it was wrong. Right click on row 1, click on row height button, and then we will change the data as 30, then click on OK button. You can see I have done this. Now hide column B containing the product codes. Okay, hide column B containing the product codes. Simply we will hide the column B. Column B, right click on this, click on hide button. Click on hide button. 1 second, give me a second. Okay, column B will be hidden right now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 13. The question number 13 of this assignment is that the t-shirt product is below the souvenirs heading. The product belong in the apparel section. You will move the t-shirt product to be above the souvenirs heading. Okay. The main point is that select and cut the range A11 to J11. Insert cut cells on row 8. Okay, simply we will select the range A11 to J11. Okay, we will select A11 to J11 and simply go to the home tab in the clipboard group, cut this range and then insert card cells on row 8. We will click on A. Okay, row 8, right click on this, click on insert card cells. Okay, this is good. Now you can see I have done. Now question number 14 is that I have done 14 question out of 29 question. You can see here. Okay, please focus on which screen. You can see I have done 70% of this assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. And reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.